So we'll talk about sit. So for sit, I'm going to give the verbal command sit if my dog's trained in English. And I'm going to give this hand signal. So it comes from holding a treat, scooping under their chin, and luring them into a seated position. So sit. Now when I give that, Charlie, sit. Yes. As soon as the dog's butt hits the ground and is firmly seated, I'm going to mark it with a yes. Good sit. I can give my treat, whether that be a head scratch, a food treat, the ball, whatever. Then I want to not only have my dog sit, but I also want to extend that sit. So to extend the sit, I'm going to walk away. I'm going to go back. Good sit. And treat. I'm going to go further and further away. I'm going to wait longer and longer. And then I'm going to go back. Good sit. Once I go further than that, I can start throwing in distractions, turning around. I can take knees, whatever. Good sit. Go back and reward. If I have a failure, I'm going to go back, place them back into no, sit. Yes. Place him back in. Now I'm not going to treat him there because if I do, he may figure out he doesn't have to wait and let me draw out the duration. But he can just mess up, get back into it, and then get a treat. So there I'm going to hold off treating. I'm going to go away. Good sit. And draw that out. I want to not only extend that sit, but I also want to be able to give it from further and further away. So, Charlie. Down. Nope. Charlie, place. Charlie, place. Yes. So I'm going to walk further and further away. Charlie, sit. Yes, good sit. And I'm going to keep expanding that. Good boy.